Laziest way to make money online for beginners. Ever feel overwhelmed by the hustle of making money online? What if I told you there's a lazy yet effective way to earn $100 or more every day? Yes, it's possible. Sit back, relax, and let me share how you can start making passive income with minimal effort. If you're new to online income, this is perfect for you. You don't need advanced skills, a big budget, or endless time. This method focuses on leveraging simple, free tools and platforms that anyone can use. Think of it as earning money while learning the ropes, stress-free. This guide isn't about fake promises or shady schemes. Instead, it's about using proven digital strategies that work for thousands of beginners worldwide. Don't worry if you're not tech-savvy. I'll be breaking everything down into easy-to-follow steps. Affiliate marketing is your one-way ticket to earning online with minimal effort. Here's how it works. You share special links to products or services, and every time someone makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Simple, right? The best part? You don't need to create any products or manage customer service. Websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Impact make it easy for beginners to start. All you need is to sign up and grab those links to begin making money. Social media or a basic blog can be your lazy marketer's dream tools. Post affiliate links on Instagram, TikTok, or even Pinterest. Short content like top 5 must-have gadgets or best online deals works great. It's quick, simple, and gets you clicks. Don't have a large following? No worries. Instead, focus on niche audiences. For example, if you choose fitness, promote workout gear or diet plans. As long as you're tapping into the right circles, the sales will roll in, even while you sleep. Automation is a lazy beginner's best friend. Use tools like social media schedulers, like Buffer or Later, to pre-plan posts for the week. This way, you can kick back, and your content still shares those affiliate links. If you're driving traffic through a blog, plug into SEO tools to help drive visitors to your site around the clock. Platforms like WordPress and Google Analytics offer free ways to optimize your lazy income strategy without doing extra work. Here's why this strategy works. It doesn't require you to constantly trade time for money. Once your affiliate links and content are live, they keep generating potential income on autopilot. It's like planting seeds and letting them grow with minimal care. Unlike other methods like freelancing or selling products, this requires no specialized skills, inventory, or direct customer interaction. It's perfect for beginners wanting to dip their toes into online profits while managing other commitments or hobbies. Let me share inspiring stories of people who turned this lazy approach into a goldmine. Anna, a college student, made $120/day through Amazon affiliates by sharing book recommendations on her blog. She spent 1 weekend setting it up. Now it earns while she studies. Or take Mike, a dad of 2, who leverages Pinterest for affiliate promotions around home improvement tips. With simple pins and quick posts, he now makes $3,000/month in passive income. These strategies truly work for anyone willing to get started. Want to amp up your lazy income streams? Here are a few pro tips. Pick a niche you enjoy. Your enthusiasm will shine through and attract authentic followers. Use free resources like Canva to create visually attractive posts that grab attention quickly. 3. Experiment. Not every post will succeed, but learning what works helps you grow faster. We all stumble at the start. Avoid these pitfalls. Overloading your audience with affiliate links. Always aim to add value before selling. Choosing random products. Pick those that cater to your niche audience's needs. Skipping consistency. Even lazy strategies need regular updates for long-term success. Passive income doesn't have to mean working long hours or being a tech wizard. With methods like affiliate marketing, social media, and automation, earning $100/day or more is within reach, even for beginners. All it takes is starting small and growing gradually. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step today. Choose your niche, sign up for an affiliate program, and start sharing those links. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tips on building a steady income stream online. Let's make it happen together.